Hi, I'm Courtney Tucker, an online health and fitness coach and a certified personal trainer. Today we're going to talk about myofascial release. Fascia is the internal connective tissue that wraps around our organs, connecting them to our muscles and bones. It's similar to a spider web in appearance and covers every inch of our bodies. The purpose of fascia is to stabilize and protect our muscles as we go about our day. Fascia is meant to be flexible, but can become tight, inflamed, or dehydrated. This can be due to a number of reasons. Distorted fascia can cause chronic pain or referral pain, which means you feel pain in one area, but the actual source of the pain is elsewhere. Myofascial release is the technique of applying gentle, sustained pressure into the fascia. The goal is to rehydrate the fascia and make it flexible again so the muscle isn't so constrained. Myofascial release can alleviate pain, improve range of motion, help your posture, and reduce risk of injury. If you are somewhat sedentary, your muscles have likely frozen in certain problematic positions. Anyone and everyone can benefit from myofascial release. Most people do myofascial release incorrectly and therefore ineffectively. Misconception number 1, myofascial release must be painful to be effective. This is not the case. When doing myofascial release, you want to stay below your pain threshold. When your body feels pain, the automatic response is to tense up to avoid the pain. In order to release the fascia, you must find a point where the body can be relaxed and experience it comfortably. The second misconception is that you must roll repeatedly over the source of pain. Once you identify the tender area, you only apply as much pressure so that you can rest comfortably and wait for the release. This can take several minutes at first. Once you feel the fascia release, it feels a bit like taffy stretching. Move over until you feel another tender spot. Again, sit and wait for it to release. You should never be rolling or moving constantly. The third misconception is that stretching is better for sore muscles than myofascial release. When you work to lengthen a muscle, what you are doing is actually loosening the fascia around the muscle. Myofascial release is a more effective and more efficient way to go about hydrating fascia around sore muscles. There are a couple of tools you can use for myofascial release. Foam rollers are probably the most common tool. They vary in length, density, and texture. The smooth, low-density rollers are gentler, while the dense and/or bumpy ones provide more intense pressure. The ridges on foam rollers allow you to target a concentrated area. Regardless of which roller you choose, they can all be used in the same ways. The muscle roller stick is another tool used for myofascial release. It's smaller in size when compared to foam rollers, so it allows you to target more concentrated areas and get into smaller spaces. You can either hold this tool with your hands and roll it on the targeted area this way, or you can lay on it and use your body weight as with foam rolling. The benefits of the HealthyWay acupressure mat are improved sleep, increased energy, stress relief, and reduced muscle pain and tension. All forms of myofascial release toxins into your body, so it is important to drink plenty of water after doing any of these techniques.